Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. On May 31, 1978, Sara Zimmerman Duterte Carpio, affectionately known as Inday Sara, was born in Davao City, a place that would significantly shape her political career. A prominent Filipino lawyer, she is the daughter of the 16th President of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Sinimula ni Sara ang kanyang pang-edukasyon na paglalakbay sa San Pedro College. Sa una ay may hangarin ng isang medical na karera. Gayunpaman, ang kanyang landas sa lalong madaling panahon ay lumihis patungo sa batas at serbisyo publiko. Una siyang nag-enroll ng abogasya sa San Beda College, ngunit kalaunan ay lumipat sa San Sebastian College, Recoletos, kung saan matagumpay niyang natapos ang kanyang pag-aaral noong May 2005. Sa parehong taon, matagumpay na naipasa ni Duterte ang Philippine Bar Examination at pagkatapos ay nagtrabaho bilang abogado ng korte sa ang tanggapan ni Supreme Court Associate Justice Romeo Callejo Sr. In 2010, Sara Duterte assumed the role of Mayor of Davao City, following in her father's footsteps. Her leadership style emphasized efficiency, discipline, and community engagement. During her term, she focused on urban development, public safety, and social welfare programs. Before being elected as mayor of Davao City, Inday Sara served as vice mayor of the city, elected in 2007 with her father as mayor. Sara Duterte's second mayoral term is from 2016 to 2022. Solidified her reputation as a no-nonsense leader, she championed initiatives such as the Peace 911 program, which aimed to address conflict and promote development in conflict-affected areas. Her administration prioritized infrastructure projects, healthcare, and disaster preparedness. Noong 2022 elections, nanalo si Sara Duterte bilang ika-15 Vice-Presidente ng Pilipinas. Siya ang ikatlong babaeng Vice-Presidente, ang pangatlo na nagmula sa Mindanao at ang pinakabata sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Nakatuon ang kanyang pamumuno sa pagkakaisa, inclusivity at pambansang pag-unlad. Si Sara Duterte ay nagsisilbi rin bilang kalihim ng edukasyon. Hawak ang posisyon kasabay ng kanyang pagka-vice-presidente. Ang kanyang pangako sa mga reformang pang-edukasyon ay naglalayong pahusayin ang mga resulta ng pagkatuto at bigyang kapangyarihan ang kabataang Pilipino. Ang pamana ni Sara Duterte ay higit pa sa pangalan ng kanyang pamilya. Kinakatawan niya ang katatagan, kakayahang umangkop at malalim na pagmamahal sa kanyang bansa. Bilang isang pinuno, she navigates complex political waters na may determinasyon at pragmatismo. Ang kanyang paglalakbay mula sa alkalde ng Davao City hanggang sa vice-presidente ng bansa ay nagbibigay inspirasyon sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Sa patuloy na umuusbong na tanawin ng politika sa Pilipinas, si Sara Duterte ay nanatiling isang puwersang dapat isalang-alang, isang leader na patuloy na humuhubog sa kapalaran ng bansa. Inday Sara is married to fellow lawyer Manasseh R. Carpio, whom she met while she was at San Beda College. They have 3 children. Manasseh is a nephew of Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales, and Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio. He is a legal counsel for Lapanday Foods Corporation. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Gilbert K. Chesterton, when people begin to ignore human dignity, it will not be long before they begin to ignore human rights. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Los Viminda Zamora and Maribel Espinosa. Maraming salamat po.